from this whole section right here, from the end. There's no shingles up here. It looked like somebody tore them all up, or the wind tore them all up and pushed everything into a corner. There's no shingles running down the sides as well. Well, it doesn't really need it. It should have though. Alright, this is a whole space. Basically the size of a plywood needs to be changed. And well, the problem as far as the leak can be fixed, although I may not see the exact spot right now, I can bet it's in this plywood. So basically there's no shingle, so all the water is getting into it. And this gutter is full, so I don't know what the hell. The gutter is packed full, like it's almost to the point where it's cement. Yeah, it's packed. It got a growth inside of it. So let me see. Right into it in the roof. Yeah, if depending, I don't know if the gutter is part of the problem, but I would say maybe about 2 or 3 packs of shingles, depending on the size. I would say a plywood, definitely one whole one. If there will be further problems because most of the shingles up here needs changed. So, but right now to fix the problem, we need about 3 packs of shingles and 1 plywood. And we already have the felt, the roll. And it's a good thing he has a rubber up here over whatever that was here. I'll start from scratch and leave that up and not change it. Alright, peace.